Om Shanti 28 June 2021 Today's Murli Babdada Madhuban Essence Sweet children, consider yourselves to be souls and speak to souls. You flowers will then continue to become fragrant and any bad odor of body consciousness will be removed. Question: who are true flowers and moths who spread their fragrance in all directions? Answer: true flowers are those who make many others into fragrant flowers, the same as themselves. The fragrance of true moths who follow Srimad and who sacrifice themselves to the flame, that is, the fragrance of those who surrender themselves completely and die alive, spreads everywhere. The fragrance of true flowers automatically spreads everywhere. Song: the flame has ignited in the gathering of moths. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Babdada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. Essence for Dharana. First, consider yourself to be a soul and talk to souls. You will be able to imbibe everything very well when you listen to and relate knowledge in a state of soul consciousness. Second, become conquerors of sleep and earn an income by staying awake at night. Churn the ocean of knowledge. Don't waste your time in useless matters. Blessing: may you be innocent of the knowledge of Maya and a saint of knowledge and become completely pure. Just as golden aged souls are innocent of the knowledge of the wise, so if those same sanskars also remain clearly in your awareness, you will then become innocent of the knowledge of Maya. However, the sanskars of future will only remain in your awareness when you have the soul conscious form clearly in your awareness all the time. Just as your body is clearly visible, in the same way the form of you, a soul, has to be clearly visible. That is, it has to be experienced. You will then be said to be innocent of Maya and a saint of knowledge that is completely pure. Slogan: impurity within you creates obstacles in your becoming completely pure. Om Shanti